Spooky experiment. See, guys. And I'm a teacher. I'm a smart teacher, actually. And look at my stickers.
Aw,
Look at my
adorable.
tattoos.
So cute. Aw, spooky.
And look at the presentation.
Presentation.
Let's open it.
Let's open.
Let's open it.
Whoa.
Whoa, there were so many things. There was and there was a bat. Oh, a witch pumpkin. I'm going to hunt you in your peanut.
Just kidding. They will be scared.
Yeah. So good. I'm just kidding. Whoa!
Whoa, this says witch's potion. You're going to make a witch potion.
Yeah. Let's see what the best potion is going to do. Look, there's a plate.
There's paper plate.
I'm eating my banana.
Biryani. This one says monster vomit. Wow. You're going to make monster vomit also. The box, it says vampire message. You're going to create a vampire message.
Oh my god, I'm going to throw.
So, are we ready for the experiment?
Yes, I'm just going to throw. God, you almost scared me. We're doing the ghost experiment. I'm excited. So we have this little medicine, and I'm wearing my gloves, and I'm wearing my mask, and we're going to put this inside a hole.
Okay, in the bottle.
Yeah, in bottle.
And we're also going to add some water in it.
Yeah, I'm like explore. I'm
Yeah.
excited. Oh! The ghost is vomiting. But actually, it's slime. We're making slime. Ooh, this is so fun. Wow.
Keep mixing.
This is going to be fun.
Oh my god, this is so cool. So
Vomit.
Ew.
Guys, you want to see I'm putting the eyes on it?
Show me.
Ta-da.
Cute.
I put the magnet under the spider.
Whoa, and what is happening now?
See when I move the magnets.
Okay, show me.
Guys, we're putting magnets inside it, and there were some sticks, and there was a spider web, and we also use some spiders. And we use some spider sticky eyes, and I stick it all. So you have to move it like this. So cool. See, we have some baking soda. We're going to dip it. Now we have to draw it. Way to take your Baba's help to dry it. I hope you liked the video, and I even love you guys. And don't forget to subscribe Nina's Spooky channel. Bye!